Alright, I want you to stop overthinking this software thing. Look, the reality of it is, as an online trainer, you need to be able to do 3 things. Let's break it down into first principles. You got to take payment. Somebody's got to pay you. You got to figure out a way to do that. You've got to send programming. You've got to provide support. You actually really don't need any software program. And I strongly recommend that you don't spend any money before you have it, i.e., before you have clients paying for you. Don't sign up for software. Don't even sign up for a free trial. Everything you do needs to be focused on getting clients, on getting customers. I cannot stress this enough. The amount of productive procrastination that online trainers make, the amount of money that they blow on software programs thinking that they have to have it to be professional. They can't even, a lot of the time, describe why they think that they need it because they don't even know what online training is yet. How can you possibly choose a software program to train clients online when you have zero context, when you've never trained anybody online? So I cannot stress that enough. You need to be able to do 3 things. You need to be able to collect payment, send programming, provide support. In addition, look, I'll link in this video, like, we do have a comparison chart of the major software programs, but they're all basically the same. They all compete with one another. They all try to one-up one another. They all cost about the same. They all offer more or less the same services. And because all that you need anyway is so freaking basic, it doesn't even matter what high-end stuff that they have because you're never going to use it. So who cares? So they're all basically the same. Now, taking payments and communicating with clients can already be done better, more naturally, and for free today with services that you and your clients are already comfortable with. If you've ever bought or sold anything online, you've probably used PayPal before. You can set up PayPal in 5 minutes. It's super easy to do. You can accept money from anywhere in the world. You don't need a software platform to integrate with Stripe. Way more work than you need right now. Communication, you got a phone, right? What are you watching this video on? Even on a computer, like Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, text message, iMessage. All of these services are better chat and voice messaging services than anything any of the software programs have. And more importantly, they're already natural to you and your client. There's no learning curve. The last thing that any of us want to learn how to do is learn something new. You don't want to put that extra step in your client's onboarding either. Like, your client doesn't want another place to check messages. You don't want another place to check messages. So keep it simple. Now, programming is the only one with it's a bit of an exception, but look, when I was a trainer years back, I wrote my programs on Microsoft Excel. You can send via email a PDF through Microsoft Excel. You can use Google Sheets and share templates. When you're starting, this is probably the best way to do it. As you get going, yeah, you may want to navigate to software because it's a little bit more efficient. But you certainly don't want to be spending 20, 30, 40, 50, even $100 a month on software before you even know what you're going to use it for, before you even have any clients that you're going to be making that kind of money. Like, unless you're making thousands of dollars a month, you don't want to be spending 50 or 100 on software that does stuff that free tools already do better. So what is the best software to distribute programs, to communicate with clients? Like I said, there's a comparison chart, link that below, and you can have a look. But the reality of it is, they're all basically the same. You probably don't need one right now. It's the reality.